everybody, this is Praxis, and today I'm pouring a floor down here in the chicken coop. I've got a load of concrete mixing up there. I'm trying to have that thing constantly mixing so I can keep pouring stuff in. I just poured the previous one in though, and I'm about to spread that around. I've got this metal mesh down. It's 5-inch, it's kind of like a reinforcing mesh. It's used specifically for things like floors. And as I'm spreading this stuff around, I'm taking the mesh and I'm pulling it up a little bit because you want it towards the bottom of your slab of concrete, but you don't want it underneath the slab. So I'm kind of trying to pull it up as I go. I'm starting with this corner over here, bringing the concrete over there, and then I'm going to kind of work around in that direction. As soon as I get this kind of smoothed out a little bit, it'll be time for me to head back up and then pour that in here. This is the first time I've ever done this. This is new for me. I'm finding that I need to make the concrete a little bit wetter than I'm used to for other types of work that I do. Other than that, I mean, it's just, it's a learning curve, and I've seen people do it before on a couple of occasions, but this is the first time doing it myself, especially with just one batch at a time. Alright, guess that's about as good as I can do. Later on, I've got some big rubber boots so I can walk around in here, try to smooth it out, and I think I'm just going to be kind of working this over the day, just trying to get it smoother, as level as possible, and then as smooth as possible, and just making sure that the concrete gets all mixed down and integrated into this metal mesh. So I'll put that down. I'll take you guys up top, and we're gonna get ready for the next batch. I'm bringing the gravel down to make the concrete in the tractor here. That just makes it easier. So I'm spending less time, lifting stuff around. This thing pivots. Take that block out. I'm gonna swing it around. There we go. And then we dump it in. Like I said, it splatters a lot. I'll just fix that later. Just gotta make sure I don't put it in too far so it doesn't fall in. There we go. This board keeps it from falling in over like that. And I find if I turn it on, it dumps the rest. And that's good for that. So I'm going to bring this back out, and I'm not going to mix up the next batch yet. I'm not going to spread out that batch. What I'm going to do is mix up the next batch. So while I'm in there spreading, this can be working. So it goes back on the hose. I'm constantly kind of cleaning out the outer edge here, trying to wash everything back into it. So it doesn't cure on the mixer. There's always stuff stuck to the bottom. There we go. Got a lot of water in there, and now shovels of gravel. Put about 3 or 4 shovels per 80-pound bag of the Type N mortar. Accidentally got some dirt in that pile. That's 4. 5. 6. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Right now what this is doing, it's got water, it's got gravel in there. It's kind of scouring the inside, cleaning out all the old stuff from the last batch so that when I put the new stuff in, it's going to be integrated in. I got to get a couple more bags, so I'm going to head over and do those there. But once I mix them in, I'm going to head down inside while this mixes and do my smoothing like you saw at the beginning of the video. That's it. Thanks for watching.